No. We're going to experiment with this. So I'm going to sit right here and allow the board to complete the square. Let's see. Let's see. So first you will have this. Yeah, I did that because I wasn't sure if you were seeing this. So let me just, yeah. And now it looks like this. Now it's going to look like this. Do we prefer the green or do we prefer the blue? No, the left is going to look like this, and then the right is going to look like. So the right is going to start looking like this, and then I know. So now the right is looking a lot more like this. So we will continue. All right, so now what can we actually do with this? So if we're paying attention, they both share the same denominator, so we can actually do this. So let's just add 1680 to 169. And now we're going to bring that fraction over to the other side. So let's just minus it from both sides. So move that equal sign right there and get rid of the 0. Then change that plus to a minus sign. What you do to the left, you will do to the right. So the minus 20s will disappear on the left. And then on the right, it becomes 1 over minus 20 multiplied by minus 1849 over the 80. Yeah, I forgot to get rid of the arrow. Yeah? So let's go again. All right, so what is the result of what's going to happen on the left and right side? And now we're going to square root everything on the left and everything on the right. So we will have this, and then we will have that. And now we are almost on our way to finishing all of that. So 13 over 40 minus 13 over 40. Now that's just semantics. I really could have just written x. But yeah, that's just to show what would happen, yeah? So on the left is just x. Now there's one more thing we can do so that we don't fall into a certain trap. Yeah? And now, there we go. So, this way, we have a plus 43 or a minus 43. Right? So let's see if we can write the or in the middle and see what we have on the left and the right. And now we're much closer to finishing all of that. So, 43 minus 13 is going to be 30. And then on the right, we're going to have a minus 56. So there we have it. That's on the left and that's on the right. Yeah, sorry about the noise in the background. So, if we cancel on the left, we'll have 3 over 4. And if we cancel on the right, we will have. And now everything is done. Everything is done. Yeah. Yeah, everything is done. So, I guess I will try and take a seat once more. In any case, I took some screenshots of this just in case. So, I don't know, maybe. Let me know what you think of the, doing it in this way, even though it depends on the time of day, because it's in the morning, so now it's bright, so this board is a bit, yeah, it's a little bit too much at the moment, and the only way for me to dim it is for me to just, like I will literally do it so you can see, right? Yeah. So maybe you can see the board better like that, but as soon as, yeah, it makes a world of a difference. Anyhow, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. Yeah. And as I always tell you, right, honor your commitments. It's right up there. Yeah, right up there. Honor your commitments, and of course, yeah,